Greetings, guys. So I have been working very hard over the last couple of weeks on a course. Now, this course is different than any other course that you would have taken. This course was birthed from a client coming forward and source letting me know that this client is actually a psychic surgeon. So I created the course from the session and built it out. As soon as I started building it out, different beings started coming forward and saying, "Oh, include my method too, please." So I ended up with an Egyptian healing chamber activation, as well as DNA restructuring and resetting. The Syrians came in and said, "Oh, we also need to include the children. Don't forget about the children." So they provided their method of healing as well. Along with Arcturians, we cannot forget about the Arcturian tech and healing abilities. Source came in to provide hers. Different guides came in and showed how to connect so that they can work on you as well when requested. All in all, it explains the noises that we're hearing, the things that we're seeing. We are all healers in our own way, and this course will help activate that remembrance of the knowledge that you have deep inside. Now, if an hour and a half of course taking isn't enough for you, we also included a membership where you can meet with us each week and go over, practice, understand, share stories together, better understand your gifts. So I'm going to give you an inside glimpse of what it looks like. So this is what you see when you purchase the course. This goes over the 3 different methods, just a brief overview. What do you do if you can't see or hear things? What's going on? What do you do? Then you have a direct from source. These are etheric numbers. So if you've seen me before and you've heard me talk about numbers, this explains what those etheric numbers are and why we're hearing those numbers when we're working on clients. The Arcturian method, how to use up frequency we're hearing. The bonus method, where the Egyptians come in and they do the sacred healing in the healing chamber. There's an initial activation as I guide you through and into that sacred space. The Syrians come in, they help us with the kids, help with that DNA restructuring. The pineal gland, of course, we want activations, reset, and how to connect it in a way where it's helpful and useful and giving us information both ways. So what if you need help and you don't want to do the work? What if you just have your guides come in and work on you and add light and do upgrades? So this is a method on what you would do to help those guides connect with you and work on you. So what if you don't know if your work is complete? How do you check your work? So this is what you would do if you want to check your work. And then, of course, you want to have your DNA upgrades, and it shows us a method of washing DNA. This is also pretty exciting. And of course, this is the page you're going to see when you click on the link in my bio. So to get to the course, you're going to click the link in my bio right here. It's going to take you to my link tree. You're going to go to courses. You're going to click this first one, the psychic surgery and other healing modalities. You're going to click that. It's going to take you right over to the page where you're going to see a little bit about the course and about me, for those of you who don't know. So you can just click Enroll, and it'll take you right through to the purchase page. So this is a psychic surgery and other healing modalities. You're going to add your name, your billing info, and you're going to check out. And it'll give you an email, and the email will take you to the login for the course. You can start right away. So hopefully that helps fulfill your itch for the knowledge around healing and how you can start, expanding on whether you've taken reiki or whether you've taken something else where you just have this really deep desire to assist people. Maybe you've been seeing organs, maybe you've been seeing DNA strands, maybe you've been seeing things when you're working on people, or just even mingling and near people where you don't understand. I think that this course will bring about that understanding that you might be looking for. Anyways, I hope all is well, and be sure to share this with a friend and follow me for more tips and strategies. Thanks, guys.